My hair is whacked as always. Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Nicole, and I make Dungeons & Dragons, miniatures, and other stuff. I was trying to think about what I could make that would be like holiday-ish, and then I remembered that there's a thing called Krampus. For those of you who don't know what Krampus is, I did very minimal research. Don't quote me on this because I could be a little wrong. Santa goes around, he's got his list of like naughty and nice, and he goes and gives presents to all the nice kids, and then he leaves like coal for all the naughty kids. Apparently, the coal is how Krampus knows who to punish for being bad. Did not know that. I thought it was just like a, yo, coal cause you suck, but no, apparently it's coal so that Krampus knows to come beat your ass with some birch sticks. And if you're super bad, he'll throw you in a bag or basket and take you down below to his secret super evil lair, and I don't know what happens after that. So let's start with the armature. I got my wire, I have some pliers, and I have some cork to stick it in. So let's get to it. Hello, update time. I made tea, because tea is yummy. Yes, there are some notes of, orange. It's delicious, very nice. If you're like a wine tester or like a beer connoisseur or something, I'm sorry. Please don't add me, I'm just laughing. I have the armature done. Now, usually my plan is pretty set. I make an armature, I put a skin on it, I bake it, and then I do the details. But this actually has a couple different pieces to it, so I might finish a couple things before its first bake, just because there are a lot of pieces going on here, and I tried to make something a little bit more complicated. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, well, I think the sculpt is basically as far as I'm gonna get it right now. Cause it's 5 in the morning. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. Here we are again, another day. We're gonna paint it. So I have to prime it first, and I like to use, it's like a 10-minute white primer. It dries in like 20 minutes, not 10, but whatever. So I'm gonna have a white base, and then we will go from there. So it is dry and I can paint it now. Let's just get to it. I don't know what it is. I didn't really like how it looked, so I asked my friends for some like advice, and what they said made sense. So the way it looks right now is it's just too all one color, you know, something was bugging me about it. But what they suggested is trying to make the legs a little darker, which after they mentioned it, totally made sense. The plan is to make him look a little bit more like a satyr and a little less like a yeti. Hopefully if I paint the legs differently, then it'll actually look like legs and a tail and not just a mass of blue and white. Okay, so it helped. He's done. Okay, look at it. Check out this spooky little bitch. I like him. So I think he's creepy. I would be freaked out if I saw this guy walking around, you know, collecting children and hitting them with birch sticks. That would be pretty freaky. So yeah, he was really fun to make. I definitely learned a lot. Again, every time I make something, I learn something new. Now, I have some really good news. Surprise! I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this Krampus mini. Usually I release my videos a week ahead of time for my adventurer patrons. This guy was taking me a little longer and I really wanted it to come out before Christmas. So I took the time I needed to make sure that it was done right. You know, I didn't want to rush it and just have it look wonky just to get it out early. So instead, to make it up to you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So anyone who is in my adventurer tier or higher by January 2nd is going to be entered into a draw to win this Krampus mini. And I will pay for shipping. I will send it to you. So yeah, that is my video this week. I hope that you liked it. I had fun making it and I can't wait to give this guy away to someone. So good luck in the draw. Happy holidays, you know, whatever you're celebrating. I hope that you're having a good time. And even if you're not celebrating anything, just have a nice day. Anyway, if you want to see more of my miniatures, check out my website. It is NicoleBruceArt.com. And as I said, I do have a Patreon. Link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if you liked the video, please like the video. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye!